Thinking about moving into a bigger home? Maybe you have outgrown your space, a new baby, a new job, or you just want more room to breathe. Hi, I'm Irina Briana with Keys to North Atlanta, powered by Keller Williams. And today we're diving into how families are using the equity in their current homes to move up without the stress of juggling two mortgages. I've helped families right here in Alpharetta, Milton, Johns Creek, and Cumming upgrade their lifestyle for lots of reasons. A growing family that suddenly needs more bedrooms, a new job that changes your commute, or simply realizing you have outgrown your home and it no longer fits your life. One of my clients moved back from Buckhead to Roswell area just because of a new job. The commute was draining. Equity made it possible to make the move stress-free. So how do you actually make the move up work financially? Most families tap into their home equity, the value that's built up over time. That equity becomes your down payment for your next home. And here is a tool many don't know about: mortgage recasting. Recasting lets you apply a large lump sum payment, often from the proceeds of your home sale, to your new mortgage. Instead of refinancing and paying for two closings, your lender simply recalculates your payment based on the lower balance, same rate, smaller monthly payment. That's huge right now, especially if you've got a low interest rate you don't want to lose. I have worked with several families who needed more space for kids. We sold their current home strategically, lined up the timing, and bought the next one. By planning ahead, they only had to move once. Another family was nervous about juggling two mortgages. We structured their sale and purchase with a recast, and they were shocked at how affordable their new monthly payment was. Of course, moving up has trade-offs. Pro: more space, better schools, and home that fits your lifestyle. Con: you will need to plan carefully to avoid double payments or a rushed sale. That's where a clear strategy comes in, and why working with someone who has navigated this many times before really matters. If you've been wondering whether it's time to move up, let's take a look at your numbers. I'll put together a free personalized dream home equity report and walk you through how strategies like recasting could make your move possible, and even maybe more comfortable. Reach out anytime. I'd love to help your family plan the next step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more North Atlanta real estate tips every week. Your dream lifestyle might be closer than you think.